Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Today I'm thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey in today's video. We are going to explore our best crochet collection for elephant designs. We have different types of crochet design. New ideas crochet, all crochet designs, beautiful and different color crochet elephant designs collection. Different color combination crochet elephant designs collection. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. In this video we show you the some crochet elephant pattern designs collection. These are all handmade crochet elephant designs collection. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet elephant pattern designs collection. Beautiful color crochet elephant pattern designs collection. Our crochet design are very useful and cute elephant designs 2024. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is new adventure for you. Thanks for watching my video.